Actor. Performs in theatrical productions. Agent. Represents and negotiates deals. Astrologer. Reads celestial influences. Athlete. Engages in sports competitively. Baker. Bakes and sells bread. Blacksmith. Works with iron and steel. Broker. Facilitates financial transactions. Butcher. Prepares and sells meat. Butler. Manages household affairs. Cobbler. Repairs and makes shoes. Druggist. Dispenses and sells drugs. Electrician. Installs and repairs electrical systems. Goldsmith. Works with precious metals. Greengrocer. Sells fresh produce. Mechanic. Repairs vehicles and machinery. Midwife. Assists in childbirth. Pickpocket. Steals from unsuspecting individuals. Pilot. Operates and navigates aircraft. Porter. Carries luggage or goods. Potter. Creates pottery from clay. Sailor. Operates and navigates ships. Seamstress. Sews and makes garments. Soldier. Serves in the military. Sweeper. Cleans streets or spaces. Weaver. Creates fabric from thread. Doctor. Practices medicine. Farmer. Cultivates crops and livestock. Artist. Creates visual or performing art. Judge. Presides over legal cases. Librarian. Manages and organizes books.